Keeping your cool. The AC technician's role. Air conditioners are everywhere. They keep us comfortable in our homes and offices. When the temperature rises, we rely on AC technicians to keep these systems running smoothly. AC technicians are skilled professionals who install, maintain, and repair air conditioning systems. They work with refrigerants, electrical components, and various tools to ensure our comfort. This essay will explore the skills and training required to become a successful AC technician. Skills for success: what you need to know. Becoming a qualified AC technician requires a blend of technical knowledge and practical skills. You need to understand the principles of refrigeration, electricity, and HVAC systems. Familiarity with different types of AC units, such as window units, split systems, and central air conditioners, is crucial. Strong problem-solving abilities are essential for diagnosing issues and implementing effective repairs. Hands-on experience. The importance of practical training. While theoretical knowledge is important, hands-on experience is paramount in this field. Practical training provides the opportunity to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Many technical schools and community colleges offer AC technician programs that combine classroom instruction with hands-on workshops. Apprenticeships or internships with experienced technicians are invaluable for gaining practical experience and building your skills. Building your career. From training to top technician. To start your journey as an AC technician, consider enrolling in a vocational school or community college program. These programs typically last 6 months to 2 years and provide a comprehensive understanding of AC systems and repair techniques. Obtaining industry certifications, such as EPA Section 608 Technician Certification, demonstrates your competence and enhances your job prospects. Starting as an apprentice allows you to learn from seasoned professionals and gradually take on more responsibility. With dedication and hard work, you can build a rewarding career as a highly skilled AC technician.